Hi there, okay, doing good. So here I am with an update to this sheet, and I just wanted to show you the whole process. So this is the sheet you shared with me. If I'll download it, then I'll open this file, and I'll try opening the file by unblocking it. Once the file is open, as per your given description, all right, so the file just opened, and as per the description, why I'm recording this video, I'm just trying to split the solution one by one and show you the progress. And obviously, yeah, it won't be able. I won't be able to mix things the other three. So I'm showing you the results for the first one. So there, yeah, there I can see there are some formulas of rand between in all of these. So what I will do is that if I'll clear the tab, and here was, sorry, it was 87 in here and 191 in here. And if I'll take the data from maybe plate 1, I'll take this first value, then I'll take the second value from plate 2 and paste those in here. As you can see now, everything seems to be working. All right, if I'll copy this, did I pasted it at wrong place? No, yes. I'll right click on it and paste values. Should there be any formulas? Oh, why I'm not getting the result? Okay, C, D, E, F, G. Isn't these the same? C, D, E, F, G. Yep. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 columns copied. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why there are 5? Okay, so I'll just copy the data from this tab and paste on this tab, and it should work properly. I'll repeat the process for this tab. First, let me clear this tab. And now if I'll copy the data from here, now I'll paste the values 25 and 300 in plate 2 in here. 25, 300, and everything seems to be working. So the simplest solution for this is just click on this clear tab, and yeah, these cells should be merged. So I'll make sure the cells are merged for all the tabs, so there will not be any D and E extra columns you can see. All right, so this one is the first one, which is fixed.